Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start with very basics like variables, var and let. Let's going into practice. So first we have to import the foundation. This is the library that is used to import necessary things from the Xcode. Perfect. This is simple. We can use the like import and foundation. Perfect. So now we can define variable by two way. Let's like define the variable in two ways. Perfect. We'll going to see this by one by one. First let's var. Perfect. So var is used to, or we can say that var's value can be changed at any time. Perfect. Let's see, like var and I give the first and name is equal to my name, that's Suresh. Perfect. So this is what we first initialize the variable and we gave it the name of my first name, and after that I assign the value of Suresh. Perfect. If we run this, simply we got the Suresh. So now in var simply we can change the value of var, like we can say that first name is equal to Kumar. Perfect. So now the first name will store the value of Kumar. Let's see this. Let's print it out. We can print the values like we write simple word print and then variable name, like we have in our case first and name. Perfect. Now let's see we have got the Kumar. If I remove this, what will we get? We will get Suresh. So this is var. The value of var can be changeable. Perfect. This is the first way we can declare the variable, and the second is let. Like in let we can say that let city born is equal to Lahore. I born is Lahore, for example. I just write the city name, born Lahore. If I want to change the value of city born, let's see if we can change it. City born is equal to Karachi. Let's see if we can change the values. No. See, cannot assign to value city born to let constant, because this is constant and we can only change the value once in the let variable. So this is where we will get the error, so we have to comment it down. Perfect. If we want to just print it down, we can print city and born. Perfect. We will get Lahore and Suresh. Perfect. So let we can not change the value of let variable. So this is basic concept regarding the var and let. The difference between it, we define the variable first name with Suresh, and after we change the value of var as well, and after that we see the let. In let we cannot change the value of let variable. Perfect. Then we see the print. How can we print the things in Swift? So this is, and we can by double forward slash we can give it command. In command, the compiler our code editor do not read our these lines. So in this way we comment single line. If you want to comment multiple line, you have to write forward slash, after that star symbol, and then the closing star symbol and backward forward slash. So this way you can write the multiple uh, comments as well. So let's uh, give one more example. Let manager and name is equal to same. Perfect. In this way, let's see, I give it first manager and then name. This is called camel case. You can give name anyway, but this is very good for the programmers to assign the name in this way in Swift, so we can, it is very understandable for each one. Perfect. So this is, and let's print it down, parent and manager and name. Perfect. Let's run it. You can run the button from over there as well. Perfect. So see, we got Sam. So thank you for this. I will see you in very next video. Thank you very much.